If you want to rank higher on Google, you need the data like the keywords, backlinks, or your competitions and their SERP, so you can analyze that and strategize your content. In this video, I'm going to talk about Semdash. This is the alternative of the Semrush, offering the similar features and really huge database of the backlinks keywords that you can research here. So AppSumo bring back for the Black Friday this lifetime deal again, and this is one of the best SEO tools of the 2025 on the lifetime deal AppSumo just launched here. So in this video, I'm going to give a detailed overview of this Black Friday deal, what are the core features you can see on the Semdash, and what are the pricing here. So starting from the $69, you can get the Black Friday deal with the 10% extra discount, and every deal can get you the monthly credit that you can use for the keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink research, or the SERP checking out. So somehow if you are not happy with the deal, you can also return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be back. Now let me give you a detailed overview for the features and how you can use the Semdash. So this is the tool I'm going to talk about. That name is the Semdash, and look at its user interface. Isn't this similar to a really popular SEO tool? Let me know that popular SEO tool name in the comments, and let's back to this tool here. So we have the 4 core features available. First one, we have the competitive research, where we can analyze the competition's domain including our elsewhere. We can find out the keywords gap, backlink gap. We can see their top pages for getting the traffic, the competitor domains. Then we have also the keyword research section, and here we will find out the top keywords we are going to easily rank for. Like we have the keyword discovery, long tail keywords, people also ask, people also search. So this is going to show you the hidden terms that you also need to include in your article. Then we have the backlink research. You can easily see the backlinks for any domain, the reference domains, and the page by links. We have also the integrations for our search console, so we can combine the Google search console and this tool and get the real-time data, so we can create content around it. The dashboard, you are going to log in once you get its lifetime deal here, and here you can see your credits. Okay, and here's the academy. If you want to learn more how this platform and its feature work, what I suggest, if you click here on your user icon, you can see the learn Semdash here. So you can see you will get starting what is the domain overview, how discovery work, how the long tail keywords you are going to analyze, how you are going to see the backlinks, reference domains, all this stuff you are going to learn here in this academy section. And this is absolutely free, that anyone can get started watching out. So we are going to get started with the domain overview. Simply you have to add your own or your competition domain name. For example, I am just adding my own domain name here, and click here on the analyze, and look at how fast it's loading with the result. Around 3 seconds is take only. Okay, so now I can see the overall traffic share, what is my domain rank, how many broken links I got, the broken pages, the reference domains, everything I can see here easily. Then if I scroll down below, you can see these are my all of the top pages. Let me scroll down till little bit more, and now I can see the what are my competition domains here. So these are all my competition domains who also post this similar content on their website. Okay, so if you don't know what is your competition, just simply add your website URL on the domain overview, get little bit low till the end of the here on the competition positioning, and you will find out all of your competitions. Okay, then same goes with our keyword gap here. You want to know what are the keywords you are lacking but your competition are ranking, so you have to add your own domain here, and after that your competition domain, and it is going to find out all the keywords that is not available for your domain but your competition is ranking high for those keywords. So you can easily going to find out or going to store your competitors keywords here. Okay, same goes for the backlinks. Here you have to add your own domain, or you need to add your competitors domain, and you are going to see the all the backlinks that you can also build for your domains that your competitors has built. You can add the multiple competitions here. I think you can see add the multiple competitor. This is the traffic share. You have to enter your list of the keywords, and it is going to show you how many the traffic or the visitors you are getting for those keywords. Then this is the competitors domain. You have to add to monitor and analyze those competitors. For example, I'm going to add my own as the competition. Okay, this is just for the demo purpose I am showing you right now, but suppose you have your competitors list, you can add here. Then click here on the analyze. Now it is going to give me the every detail here. Okay, so this is my competitive positioning map here. Okay, and now this is all the competitors I got this is the huge list. Okay, so I can easily see, let's go with this one, that is the nacho.com. okay, and now I can see it has all these keywords positioning. Okay, so that's how it's competition. Now this is the top pages. Basically it is going to show you what are the top pages or the pages that are getting the highest visitors or ranking high on the search engine and getting you most of the traffic here. Okay, so simply add the domain name, click here on the analyze domain. Now let me close this one, and now it is going to show you what are all the top pages getting you the most of the traffic for your website. Isn't it just the life-saving hack I have just showed you? For any of the domain, you can find out the top competing or the top ranking pages that are getting the most of the traffic for them. This is the really huge and the beneficial feature here. Okay, now if I scroll down below, we have the historical sub. So this is the really unique feature I have seen in this tool here. Suppose I want to see what is the historical data for any keyword ranking on the Google here. So suppose let me search the AppSumo deals here, click on the analyze keyword, and now I will get the every data here on the historical phase, like the difficulty, the search volume, what are the related keywords. And here's the best part, this is for the February 2025, but let me go to the January 2025. okay, so let me scroll a little bit. This is for the data January 2025, so I can instantly analyze what are the ranking domains for the January, February or the previous months here. Okay, so this is how historical stuff work. Then we are now in the keyword research. So let's get started with the keyword discovery, and here we need to add our seed keywords. So let's get started with the same keyword we have used previously, that is the AppSumo deals, and click on the discover keywords. Okay, so now it is going to show me the keywords related to my seed keyword here. You can see this is all the seed keywords here, and if I click any of these one, it is going to give me this static report here, that is the graph based on the search volume here. Okay, and now I can see the volume, the keyword difficulty, the CPC and the trend. So what I need to do, I have to find out the trendy keywords, like this one has in the trend and really high is the volume, but look at here, it has the low chances that you can rank here because the keyword difficulty high. The higher it is going to rank or ranking for the difficulty. Okay, you can also go with the color basis, that this keyword difficulty is green, so I can easily rank for. So now I am going to use the filters to find out the keywords. Okay, so I'm going to go with the keyword difficulty that is around the or the less than 10. Okay, I have to add it in the maximum. So let's add the 10, click on the apply, and now I can see all the keywords here that has the really low keyword difficulty and I can easily rank. So now here's the hack. I'm going to identify what are the high trending keywords. So AppSumo Plus has the trend going on up. Same goes for this one. Same goes for this one here. You can see. So this is how I have showed you the proper keyword research. Then you can also find out the keywords with the domain names. You have to simply add the URL of that domain page, or you can also add that main domain name here. Okay, address, click on the analyze keywords. Now it is going to show you all the keywords that domain is ranking for. Let me see the here, and I think I have added the wrong domain name because I cannot able to find out. So let's back to this domain, add our domain name here, click on the analyze keywords, and let's see. Okay, failed to fetch. I think my domain don't have that enough data here. Okay, so I'm going to use another one like the snapdeal.com. This is the e-commerce site. Okay, so let me see if we are getting. Okay, yeah, we got. So these are all the keywords I got from that domain name. Okay, so then we have the long tail keywords, and this is going to save you a lot time because the long tail keywords are easy to rank and easy to get the traffic from the search engine. So simply add the AppSumo deals, and let's see what are the long tail keywords around this my seed keyword here. So these are all the long tail keywords, and look at the keyword difficulty here. So this is what the long tail keywords is going to offer you, really easy to rank for. Okay, then we have the people also search. So these are the terms that suggest below at of the any page of the Google, that is the people also search. So simply you have to add your seed keyword here, and click here on the depth. So I will go with the 4. Click here on the search keywords, and now it is going to show you all the keywords that is also Google suggesting. So you can also include all of the keywords here. Then we have the people also ask. So these basically the questions people ask, and also say, okay, fail to fetch the PPA data here. I don't know why. So let me go to this one, people also ask, and add here simply the AppSumo. Click here on the analyze questions. This is the tree view. We will go with the chart view. Okay, so right now let's see we are going to see any data or not here. Okay, we got the data here, and this is the tree view. So watching and checking that out is a little bit difficult, so we will go with the chart view here. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the tree view and this is the chart view. So tree view is going to show you the in the efficient way. So this is the all the questions regarding this one. Okay, for this one. So that is how you are also going to find out the top questions asked by the people for your topic. Then we have the backlinks. So let's go to the backlinks. Add the domain name of your own or your competition, which one you want to analyze the backlinks. So let's click here on the analyze backlinks, and now it is going to give you all the data. Okay, so what are the broken links? Okay, so right now I am also getting a broken link notification here. I am going to improve later this one, and I got to see the external links, internal links, top keywords, everything I can see in the backlinks data here. Okay, now let's see what are the other features. This is for the referring domains. If you want to see what are the referring domains who are linking to that your competition, you can easily do that with here. This is for the pages by link, and we have right now is the keyword clustering. So keyword clustering basically the group of keywords for any topic you want to do. For example, this is the semantic way you can go with the topical way, modifier, or the theme. So I will go with the topical, and here I need to add the keywords line by line here. So I am going to add the AppSumo. This is the simple one keyword I am adding to give you the how this feature works out, and click here on the semantic. Okay, it is asking me the API key. To use the Copilot AI, you need to provide your OpenAI key. So let me tell you this what is OpenAI and Copilot here. So let me back to this domain overview, and you remember I have just analyzed my own domain. So based on this analyzing, what I can do, I can use its Copilot AI that is going to help me to strategize what I need to do here. So simply click here on the generate strategy. So this is the Copilot AI integrated and the inbuilt within the Semdash. So it is going to help you with the data you are going to get with for any domain or any competition. So you can see the keyword ranking improvement. So what I need to improve here, the keywords. Okay, then the increasing organic traffic, resolving the backlinks gap. Okay, so based on the data you are seeing right now in the numbers and the chart, it is going to give you an overview with the Copilot. So this is the Semdash, and it has really the unique features. In fact, you are getting the fully SEO toolkit like the Ahrefs or the Semrush in this platform. So right now this tool is available on the AppSumo exclusively for the Plus member. Make sure you did not miss out. Okay, so if you want to check it out, the link will be given in the description. And if you want to know what are the other benefits for the AppSumo Plus membership you can get out, there's the also video you can see right now with the link in the description. So that's all. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.